Today I'm going to be talking about more perfect Redbubble shops. Now when I say perfect shops, I mean these shops have attributes within them that can be seen as perfect. And if you were to try to implement some of these attributes into your own shops, you could potentially go from no sales to sales. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shop. Now today I'm bringing you episode 4 of the Perfect Redbubble shop. So this means there's 3 episodes beforehand. You should be able to see the first there, second there, third there, but if you want to watch them, they'll be linked down in the description. The aim of the series is to help you guys see what other people are doing right and what information you can actually learn from that to help you improve your own shops. Now before we get to these shops, I just want to say if you do get any sort of value from this video, a like rating would be very much appreciated. If you're new and you're not already subscribed, I have a lot of content on the channel and I'll continue to post a lot of content on the channel that will put you in a good position to make some money online. So if you don't want to miss out on that, definitely hit the subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. And finally, if you're looking for extra information, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description with the information I used to get my first sales online. However, if you're looking to make this into more of a full-time thing, I have a step-by-step paid guide that's linked down in the description that will pretty much fast track you to print-on-demand success. Now all bases are pretty much covered. Let's have a look at some of these shops. Okay guys, I've jumped onto my PC and this is the first shop we've got for you guys today. It's called Life of Iron, and the main reason I'm talking about this shop is because it's a niche related store. It's in the gym niche, so everything on this shop is based around the gym. Now, the first thing I want to talk about before we even get into the structure, the designs, is the way they have branded this shop. When you look at the banner is in line with the logo. You can see Life of Iron in the bottom corner of the banner with some weights there, and then on the logo it also says Life of Iron. Everything matches, everything looks professional. You can tell that whoever runs this shop means business. Now, for how many designs I've actually got in the shop, they've got 501 designs, which is impressive. And as you go through the shop, you can see there's a lot of t-shirt related designs, and I'll probably take it that this shop has been around for a while, which is why they've got t-shirts over other products. Now if I was running this shop and if I was creating a new shop now, I wouldn't personally go with everything showing as t-shirts as the front image. I would go with stickers, I would go with posters. I think they've even got one poster there. You got one poster there, but I would go with more poster and sticker related things, mainly because those products are cheaper, and obviously if they're cheaper, there's a higher chance of people clicking, a higher chance of you getting sales. But as we look at the shop, you can see that they've kept their theme consistent throughout the shop. They don't have the most amount of favorites in comparison to shops that might cover various niches. But as a niche store, if you're trying to create a store for your particular niche, I would recommend that you follow the same structure as this person has created. So you want a banner that matches with your logo, and obviously you want to find quotes, sayings, things within your niches that you can put on products. Now as we go through, you can see there's a lot of t-shirt related designs, obviously showing that the t-shirt is the default image. But when we go and explore designs, which actually shows us what the designs are, you can see that they have nice styles to the designs. They've also got some scalable designs, as you can see there. 3 months from now you will thank yourself. They've got that in black, they've got that in white, they've got that in a red, a yellow. This person knows what they're doing. And obviously if you're creating a shop that's similar to this in your own niche, obviously this is what you want to be doing. You want to be creating repeated designs in different colors using variation of styles. As you can see here, they've got a distressed text style here. All of these little things that this person is running on this niche store would also help you out a lot if you're someone who's trying to run your own niche store. So you definitely want to bear something like this in mind when it comes to that. Once again, great store. So the main things to take note of in regards to this store is the fact that you want to have good branding if you're creating a niche related store. You also want to do some research into what is popular, whether that's quotes, whether that's sayings, whatever it is in your niche that does well, you want to do research on that. If you're creating a shop now, the one thing that I would say you need to focus a lot on as well is making sure that you're testing out different products, starting out with things like stickers, posters. That will help you bring people in, which will lead to more sales in the long run. Because if you don't already know, it's not that easy to get sales at the start. On to the next shop, we have Kathleen Sharp. Now Kathleen, once again, she's got good branding to her shop, got a nice background, an image of herself. As you can see there, this is a shop that has had a lot of work put into it. She's got nearly 2,000 designs, and this is mainly a text-based store. Now, for anyone watching this video, I wouldn't recommend you go out and copy these designs, mainly because these are designs she would have created a while ago. They've gained traffic, they've been pushed up in the algorithm, and they're doing well, which is why her shop is probably doing well. If I was to check her favorites, we can see here she's got 142,900 favorites, which is insane. Got an achievement, a fan artist achievement, which is pretty cool to see. So once again, the designs you're seeing here, if you was to create the same designs, you're probably not going to do as well. So you want to be creative with what's currently trending now. If you don't know how to do that and you want to find out how you can actually find trends, I'll link a video down in the description where I actually talk about how you can find trends that sell. The great thing I like about her shop, I've spoke about this in the past, is the fact that she has simple text related designs. And if we was to set this by best selling, you see that her best selling design is probably something that's text related. And exactly, surely not everybody was kung fu fighting. This is a shirt that anyone can make. Very, very simple. Obviously, I wouldn't say go out and copy hers, because that trend or that niche is probably jam packed with a lot of designs in it already. But if you was to find a new niche or something that's trending, if you was to create a shirt that's this simple, you never know, you could end up with a lot of sales and a lot of favorites as well. And the best thing about her and her shop is the fact that she's created this design in 2 versions. I always tell people to create different versions of designs. She's got a black version, which is sitting as the bestseller, and then she's got a white version, which is 3rd in line as well, which shows that it's doing quite well. And as you go through the rest of the shop, you can see there's a lot of text-based designs, some election stuff there that anyone can create in their own way and put their own spin to it. So if you want to be creating a successful shop for yourself, you want to take attributes used by people like Kathleen here. You want to make use of the simple text designs. They're easy to do. You can also make them scalable, where you can change one word to make multiple versions of the same designs. And as you can see at the top here, she's also got collections to kind of split everything up. So it's good to use collections. If you're not using them, start using them now. It just makes it easier for the customer to check through your shop if they're interested in a particular niche that you covered through your design. The final shop we have for you guys today is this shop by Alex. As you can see with the banner, it looks very, very professional, and in my opinion, it adds that extra touch to what they have on the store, which is always good to see. The logo matches with the colors in the banners. As you can see in the banners, they've got the black t-shirt with the text on them. Once again, black, white text in the logo, matches nicely. When we go into the shop, searching by best selling, you can see once again they've got text related designs. Here they've got an image on the design. Images that you can use with your designs are actually easy to find online if you look for free vector images. They also have some designs. I've actually talked about design styles like this, like for example the heartbeat design. You've got the heartbeat with drums in the middle, and you can create that for any genre, any niche. For example, they've got heartbeat and a scuba diver. I actually made a video talking about best-selling templates and best-selling design styles, so if you haven't watched that, I'll link that down in the description. This shop was created a while ago, which is why most of the designs you can see are on t-shirts. We've got Eat, Sleep, League, Repeat. Once again, another design style I spoke about in my best-selling templates video, if you haven't checked that out. And as we go through, we're seeing a lot of text-related designs. Some of them have images on, but it's nothing difficult to create in your own way. Once again, the only thing I would say you would need to implement if you was creating a shop that was following a similar sort of strategy is to use things like stickers when you first start off, because it's not easy to get sales straight off the bat with shirts. So you can start off with stickers. But yeah guys, this is pretty much it. I mean, for people that do well on Redbubble, then make sure they follow a strategy that allows them to create simple designs. If you can create simple designs, you can create more of them with less stress. This person, like I said, has over 2,500 designs. It's just showing that consistency is key within the shop. If you can find your own ways to implement these kinds of styles with whatever niches you're doing well in, or whatever trends you're finding to be popular, you could see your own shops blow up sooner rather than later. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna jump back to the camera and we'll finish off. if you've made it here, you've made it to the end of the video. So I just want to say thank you for watching this far. Once again, if you got any sort of value from this video, a like rating would be very much appreciated. It just shows me that you guys want to see more of these types of videos. And also, if you've made it this far into this video, if you have a question that you want to ask me, it could be anything at all, down in the comment section, write Q&A and then your question after that. I'm thinking of doing a Q&A where I'm going to be going through all of your questions. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure to drop your question down below. I'll most likely respond with the thanks, but my proper responses will come within the Q&A video. That is it for today. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.